Have you ever seen those smooth, eye-catching liquid glass text animations? You know, most people think this animation is difficult to make, but it's not true. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a liquid glass effect in After Effects step by step. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. First, we will open the Adobe After Effects application. First, I will grab the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Now I will draw a rectangle in the center of the composition. Now let's head over to the shape properties and increase the roundness to 80 pixel. This gives it those smooth, modern and Apple style corners. Finally, open the align panel and create the shape perfectly. Now press Ctrl+D twice and we should have now 3 identical shape layers. Now I am renaming it. First is refraction, second one is liquid glass, and third is stroke. Keeping your layers organized make the rest of the process much easier. Now select the refraction layer. Now I will change its fill color to black. Now we'll go to layers, now layer style, and then inner glow. Now I am opening the inner glow settings and color will be white, blend mode would be normal, opacity is 100% and size is 40 pixels. This layer will create light refraction that gives the glass its realistic appearance. Now for the fun part, I am selecting the liquid glass layer and apply these 5 effects: brightness and contrast, Gaussian blur, noise, transform and displacement map. Now let's adjust these settings. For brightness and contrast, I am adding 50% brightness and -100 contrast. Now for Gaussian blur, increase it to 60. For noise, I am adding 5%. For transform, scale is 120%. And finally for displacement map, displacement layer would be refraction layer. Use the horizontal and vertical effects and masks. Maximum horizontal displacement is 30 to 50. Maximum vertical displacement is 30 to 50. Also, don't forget to enable the adjustment layer switch. You immediately notice that beautiful soft glass distortion starting to appear. Now select the stroke layer, turn on the fill off. Now enable the stroke. Now I am adding a text layer. You can write liquid glass or anything you want. For an even more premium look, place a colorful gradient or a blurred background image behind everything, like I am doing. And that is it. See, we have just recreated the liquid glass UI effect entirely inside After Effects. I hope you like this effect, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll meet you in the next one with some new transition and effect. Till then, bye bye.